Okay, this is a short first impression of the Magic Force 82 with Gateron Greens. I discovered mechanical keyboards about 1.5 years ago. Then I started with a cheap board. The E-Blue. It was about $40 or 40 euros on AliExpress. I typed on it for maybe almost a year with 3.5 fingers. But it's a good keyboard, very good keyboard. Then I started to learn touch typing, so I can touch type now, but I want to improve my speech, you know that from my channel. But the second board I bought was now some keys fell off, but it doesn't matter. Also a cheap board with blue keys. It's not Gaterons, it's not Cherry Mixed. It's unknown brand, but it types fairly well, a little bit too light for my likings. But you know, I tried some customization. It typed okay, but I wanted more. Then I bought the Ayas AK33 with blue switches, also an unknown brand I guessed, but this typed really well. I've learned touch typing on this keyboard. I use it every day for my work. It's very nice, only the quality can maybe a little bit better, but also I think the blues are a little bit, too light for me. So that's why I ordered the Magic Force. In the meantime, I also bought a cheap this is a Hexagear K707 I think, with hot swappable switches. So this is with the Kailbox White. They tap very nice, but also a little bit too light for me. I ordered a batch of Box Blacks, but they are linear, heavier. I like, that's 60 grams I guess. That is nice, but I think here are the black and this over here are the blacks. But they don't give a real feedback. And I need the feedback to type fast. But this keyboard, I think it's around 40-45 euros. Dus that is maybe $50. I can recommend this board. I have a custom keycaps. I think that's called SA. Dus that's another 20 euros. But this is a very nice board. I use it for my backup PC. So, I ordered with Drop the Magic Force 82. I read a lot of good things about it. I had to wait almost, I ordered it in May. So 4 months. That's too long. Let's see what it will bring. I will put the link in the description. Maybe an affiliate link, but that is good for you and good for me. Blub blub blub. Yes. So this is the box. Nothing else in here. So, let's see. This is it. Quick starter guide. Who cares? Cable. So this is only your first impression. I will make a full review when I have it longer. I can feel already, it's not bending, I can already feel it's heavier and stronger than the Ayas. The keys look, you see, this is white, fairly white, this is off-white. Yes, I think it looks nice. I think it's so I saw the video stopped when I did the comparison because I touched the key. So I have to do it over again. I already can feel that the keys are a little bit heavier than I'm used to, but the space bar sounds very nice, not so loud. And to see how good it is, or if I can get used to it, normally I score at least 60 in 10 fast fingers. So we're gonna have a test run on 10 fast fingers and see what it does. Even kijken. Let's see what we can do. Oh, together are 63. Okay. Now you see, you saw it messed up a little bit. You saw I messed up a little bit, but 63 for the first run, it's not bad. It's my third run because I already recorded, but I made a mistake, so the recording was stopped. My first run was 58, my second was 61, and this one is 63. But of course I have to get used to the keyboard because it feels a little bit different, the keys. Maybe the distance is the same, but maybe it's the keycaps, or I have to get used to that. It gives good the Gaterons give good feedback. And what I said, I like the space bar. So the first impression is good. The Gaterons are maybe a tide too heavy for me, but that in the end I think I will go for I think it's the Celios, the Telios, the clicky ones with the 67 grams. I think that's what I will build the keyboard with in the beginning of next year. But first I want to type better and faster. So this was my first impression. I hope you liked it, and in a couple of weeks I will come back with a real review. If you want to follow me, subscribe. If you have comments, put them in the comment box. I will respond as soon as possible, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.